Hi there everyone, I have a 2012 Nissan Sentra SE-R Spec-V for sale here. So you can see it's in very good condition. The paint it's very shiny. I actually have waxed it fairly recently. I'm just going to do a quick walk around here, kind of give you an idea what it looks like. It has new tires on it. Not sure if you can quite see that. Has a sunroof, as you can see here. No door dents that you can see. I mean, I don't even know that I have any at all on the car. And the front bumper is very clean. Very few rock chips. Just do a quick look at the wheels. Wheels are in great shape. A couple of them have some very, very minor nicks on them, but nothing major. Front brake pads were just replaced less than 1,000 miles ago. And they were replaced with ceramic ones. Let me show you the interior here. Here's the rear. It's in very good shape. No rips or stains or anything. Floor mats are in great shape as well. Open up the trunk. As you can see here, there is the backup camera. Now you can kind of see it. Trunk's fairly large. Rear seats do not fold down. Kind of hard to see on video. But it's a pretty usable trunk. Alright, now I'll show you the inside here. The front seats have the SE-R on them, and so do the floor mats. It's got the metal pedals there. And this car does have the upgraded sound system, Rockford Fosgate with navigation. It's a manual. I'm just start up here. So you can see 47,392 miles. That'll go up slightly. I do drive this car daily. As you can tell, no warning lights on. Car idles fine. I'm going to go ahead and open up the hood here. As you can see, there's the new battery. I did just replace the spark plugs recently, just as a maintenance item. Car runs smooth. Was just inspected here. And you can see there's the navigation. You can set on here. You have home, previous destinations. You know, there's a couple options. It has XM. You can plug in your phone. There's USB, and there's also an aux cord. So go back to that. It does have these gauges up here for oil pressure and G-force. That is factory. That's not something that I did myself. It has a cup holder. It's actually adjustable. You have different size drinks. Kind of convenient. Something that's not really all that common. So we're going to go ahead and go for a drive here. Before we do that, hold on, let me just open the sunroof. Confirm that does work. We'll go ahead and close that. And we'll get on drive. And the AC below is very cold. Everything works as it should. Now it's going to be a little bit difficult to drive with my phone in my hand here, but I will do my best. As you can tell, revs perfectly fine, shifts very smoothly. The car has no shakes at speed. Nothing out of the ordinary here. And we're going to turn onto the highway and get up to speed. Now I'll kind of get up to speed a little bit quicker to show you the speed of the car, as well as that the car can run well. And we're up to 60 miles an hour. Pretty quick car. And that wasn't flooring it or anything. Now we're in 6th gear, just cruising along. It does get around 32 to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, just kind of depends on the day, and about 26 in the city. You can see, moving right along with traffic. No shakes in the steering wheel or anything, nothing abnormal. Turn on the AC here. There's the navigation again. I'll give you a short demonstration of the stereo at the very end of the video here when I pull over. The car does ride at a normal temperature there, as you can tell. And we're just cruising along. In total, I've put around $600 in maintenance, just all preventative maintenance other than, of course, the battery. The battery died. But the rest of it's just, you know, doing preventative maintenance before there's anything wrong with the car. And that was all done in around the last year. And of course, you know, this car only has 47,000 miles. It shouldn't need all that much replaced anytime soon. You can see downshifts nice and smoothly. No grinds, nothing along those lines. And I'll show you the brakes work pretty well here. Alright, and we're at a red light. So I will show you here, reverse. There's the backup camera. Of course I am in traffic, don't want to leave that on. And I'll just give you a quick taste of the radio here. Alright. Well, that's everything. Thank you for watching the video, and have a nice day.